Welcome to Gcb Fintech, and thank you for registering for an account. In this video guide, we will walk you through the process of making changes to your Gcb Fintech Trust profile and adjusting your account password settings, editing your profile information, and changing your account password. Step 1. Logging to your Gcb Fintech account. Once logged in, you will see the screen below. Step 2. Locate My Profile on the left navigation pane and click on it. Step 3. In the header menu, click on Edit Profile. This action will reveal the form fields for editing your profile. Make the necessary changes to the fields you wish to update. Step 4. To change your account password, find the current password field and enter your current password. Next, locate the new password field and enter your new password. Re-enter the new password in the Confirm Password field. Remember to store your password in a secure place and avoid sharing it with anyone. Step 5. Once you are satisfied with your profile changes, click Update Profile. You will see the following message appear at the top of your screen. You have successfully updated your profile, information or password.